Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thanks for joining us for our Thursday weather video brought to you by Country TV, Sky Channel 081. Well, today's a little bit of a calmer day, Thursday across the country. I know it's not calm everywhere, there's a little bit of a breeze, a little bit windy in some spots, but generally nationwide it's a calmer day ahead of another windy burst of weather that's coming in for Friday and maybe Saturday for some, and then Sunday again it starts again in the South Island. It's very typical spring weather. Now out at sea, out here in the Tasman, that's where the high pressure is. It's pushing across northern New Zealand and will do so over the next couple of days. Plenty of low-level cloud, the gloomy stuff that we all know very well in Auckland and other western parts of the country. So plenty of cloud in there. Sunniest areas inland, both islands really. So taking a look at the wind and rain map for Friday, you can see that northwest flow coming through, so it's a bit windy. The isobars through these inland areas showing gusty conditions, gale force perhaps in some exposed areas, but probably not damaging. It's probably not that strong. Rain on the west coast, heavy at times. It's going to move northwards slowly, but the North Island's mostly dry, just cloudy still coming in, especially on that western side, and there might be a couple of little light showers floating around, but generally speaking, it's dry. So the winds pick up a bit on Friday, then into Saturday those winds surge into the North Island. They actually ease a little bit down here in the south for a time. This is the next system coming in though for Sunday, and that brings in more wind and rain. But as we get into Saturday, that front moving up the west coast falls apart as it moves into the North Island, higher pressure up there, westerlies blowing through, clouds on the west coast, rain or showers in these central areas, drying out and calming down here in the south, and the driest, sunniest weather will be on the east coast of both islands. And we'll end on Sunday for you just to show you that next burst of weather. Here's the low in the Southern Ocean. The next high is out here over Australia, and this is the squash zone. We've got plenty of southwest winds in the forecast for New Zealand over the next couple of weeks, so get used to it. It's going to probably drop the temperatures a little bit on the west coast back to average, and on the east coast you'll still have a mix of hot days and fairly average days. So that's the forecast for the next few days. Don't forget, for the 10-minute long 10-day forecast, you can go to Sky Channel 081, it's Country TV.